Owls aren't just birds, they're perfectly engineered night hunters. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey found on every continent except Antarctica. There are over 250 species of owls, each adapted to different habitats. In the wild, owls live 10 to 15 years, but in captivity, some can live over 25 years. But what truly makes owls special is how their bodies are built. Owls don't have round eyeballs. They have tube-shaped eyes held in place by bony rings. This means they can't move their eyes at all. To compensate, owls can rotate their necks up to 270 degrees. They have 14 neck vertebrae and a special blood system that protects their brain. Owls are far-sighted. They see distant prey clearly, but can't see things close to their beak. So they use tiny hair-like feathers to times their prey. Every part of an owl is designed for one thing: silent, perfect hunting in the dark.